Oh man, that smells nice. Fresh, brand new leather. Welcome back to Garage Matters. Now, do you own an older vehicle and the car seats, they're just starting to rip and fall all apart? Well, this video might be for you. If you already tried using these leather repair patches to patch up these seats, you might have noticed that over time, they'll end up cracking as well. So a more permanent solution is to just go ahead, order yourself some new seat covers and reupholster this seat. So come on over here and we'll do the unboxing of these seat covers. Now this video is going to be focused on the unboxing of these Lseat seat covers. In my next videos, I'll get to the actual show and tell of how to reupholster this seat. But let me explain to you why I chose to reupholster these seats versus ordering new seats or having someone else do them. Now, for this car, it would have looked really nice to order some Bride Stradio 3s and put them in this car in the color red. It would have looked really nice, but those front seats would have cost me $5,000 and I'm just not made of that money right now. And to get this repaired, I took it to an upholstery shop and they quoted me $2,000 in leather for both front seats. I told them no, I'm gonna do it myself. So what I did was go onto the internet and ordered these seat covers. Now these seat covers, they were custom made when you order them. So I had to wait about a month before I received these. Now let's take a closer look at this seat and see what's going on here. Now this seat right here in the middle, it is perforated right here. So it does have these little holes to help keep you cooler. But then on the side right here, you can see where it's all cracked and dried up right here. That's really hard. Now, I have tried the seat repairs for like the leather seats and stuff. All those products, they don't work for me. Maybe I'm not doing it right, or maybe these seats are just way too gone, but this leather is so dry that it's hard. Look at what's going on here. This leather is dried up, and once it starts drying up, it's ripping the seam apart right here. So that's how I know that these seats right here just need to be reupholstered. Now, what you can do is, you can still use this, but you have to like cut it to make it kind of fit. And that's still a temporary fix and it's gonna look better than having this seam right here. But the only issue is it's not gonna last and it's gonna start looking like this again. So let's look at the rest of the seat. So that is pretty much it for this seat right here. The side bolstering right here, you can tell it's still nice and soft right here. But then once you get to the inside right here, see all this cracking that's going on right here? There ain't no way we can repair this. This is just way too gone right here. Then we'll come here. This is where I previously patched it up before. And right here, you can see that even though this is a new patch right here, it still began to crack as well. And that's just one of the things that's gonna happen once you start repairing these leather seats with these patches. They'll eventually start cracking like this. But it's still a good temporary fix, so you can still use this seat. Now over here, on this other side bolstering, that's all hard and stuff, but on the side right here, it's not too bad. So this is the passenger seat, and there's not a lot of folks that ride in my car, so that's why this seat kind of seems like it's not too bad. But once we reupholster the seat right here, we're gonna have to like pull these little things back in because these just kind of like poke into the back of your spine right here. Now let's go ahead and go around to the driver's seat and take a look at that seat. All right, so let's get back over here. Head over to the driver's side. So the driver's side over here. This one's really bad because I've been getting in and out of this car so frequently that it's just gone. So right here you can tell there's another leather patch. This whole side bolstering is just done. I'll come down here. Down here is more leather patches as well, so I'll patch this up as well. And you can see where this patch is starting to come apart again. So these are really temporary fixes, but it does look better than having cracks in here. And then we'll come to where we sit right here. So right here, all of these cracks right here, I just left it for the time being. I didn't cover it up yet because it wasn't completely gone. But then over here, I had to put another patch over here as well too. Take a look at this. You can see the foam in here now. So even though you put these leather temporary patches on, they're still going to begin to crack over time. Over here you can kind of see where the seam is coming apart as well too. So this seat is pretty much done, and we're going to do both the front seats, and then if both front seats come out good, we'll take care of the back seat as well. So the back seat, I do have one repair patch back here, just to kind of hold things together until I have time to redo the back seats. But I want to give these Lseat seat covers a try first with the front seats before I start doing the whole vehicle. So let's go ahead and bring this over here and then start unboxing this. We'll wrap it since it's not in the box, so we'll go ahead and unwrap this and I'll show you guys how these seat covers look like. And then it'll probably be next week before I get around to tearing all this apart and putting this on here. But let's go ahead and open this up. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get this seat cover unpackaged. I'm just gonna open it up, lay it on this cardboard, and then I'll bring the camera in for a close-up. Alright, so taking this first one out and I'm gonna lay it out here. So it looks like it's flipped inside out, but we'll go ahead and flip it right side out. Oh man, that smells nice. Fresh, brand new leather. That smells so good. Go ahead and get this inside out. Now, these were made specifically for the ST205 Celica GT4. So hopefully these fit, because when I ordered them, it specifically said it was for the ST205. So hopefully it works. So the reason why I went with this company is because they do come with the headrest as well too. So we'll be replacing the headrest as well too. And the other one, okay, so, oh, let's see. Oh, it looks like, okay, so it's like this. So this is for where you sit, and this is the backrest, and then this is the headrest right here. So let's go ahead and bring the camera in. And it does come with the other seat as well, the driver's side. So I'm gonna leave that in the packaging for now, and then just bring the camera and show you guys what this looks like. All right, so here's a close-up. Now, I opted to go for red stitching. And I think the red is gonna just help give it a little pop, because on the OEM seats right here, the seams are, looks like the thread is kind of like a grayish green color, the threading on the OEM seats. So I wanted just a little extra pop. So that's why I went with red. So as far as the leather feels really nice. The only bad thing is the middle section right here. It's not perforated like the OEM seats over here. But it's alright. These are going to be brand new seats, and a brand new seat is going to look and smell so much better. So let's flip this around, and I guess this is where you slip it underneath. Let's take a look at the backrest right here. So this is the backrest. Feels really nice. I like it. I like it a lot. And all right, so that's how it looks like. And Take a look at the headrest. The headrest is also really nice too. I really love this red stitching, so I don't think the headrest is going to be that hard to swap out. But if you look on the underside, it's got like this kind of like a foam material attached to it, but I'm not really sure if the OEM is like this as well. But once we start doing the install and taking off this old cover right here, I'll know a little bit more of how to install the seat cover on here. But overall, I am pretty impressed on the build quality. I like it a lot, so I can't wait to go ahead and get these installed. But I really like the red on black. I think it looks so much better. But yeah, that is my initial unboxing and initial thoughts on these Lseat seat covers for this ST205. Make sure you guys come back next week, because next week I'm going to start tearing all this old leather off and putting on the new leather, and then I'll show you guys how it's done. Now, I do want to say that I'm not sponsored by Lseat seat covers, and you can be sure that once I replace these old seat covers with the new ones, I'm going to give you my honest review and honest opinion of what I really think about those seat covers. And remember, join us next time on Garage Matters and hit that like and subscribe button.